Hello my dear students, in this video we will discuss regarding another technological development during the time of the Industrial Revolution in England, and that was the use of the steam power. But before that it was the hydraulic power or you can say the water energy which was used for providing the power for running any of the machine. So earlier water was used as a hydraulic power for providing power for running any machine in anything. But there was the problem with this. The problem was that the availability of water was limited to a certain areas, and apart from that availability of water also depend on season and on the speed of the flow of the water. Means if the water flow with a large speed, then only it can be able to provide power. So these were the problems with the use of the hydraulic power, and these problems were overcome by the coming of this new technology of the use of the steam power. If we use the water in a form of a steam, in steam form, it provided pressure at a high temperature. When water is converted into a steam, then it provided more pressure, and that enabled the use of a broad range of the machine. And by using that power, means when water get converted into steam, then this steam power can be used for moving or for working many machines. So this was a very innovative invention of the time, and now we will study that how various machines were invented, like that of the steam engines and other. These technological inventions come in this new innovations of the use of the steam power. Steam power was one of the reliable and inexpensive source of energy, inexpensive source of power which was used for running the machine. First time this steam power was used in the mining industry. You know, while doing the work of mining, while digging up there, the miners found a water also. So earlier, why this technology was used? The technology was used to convert that water which was there in the mine into a steam by evaporating it. You can see here, firstly it was used in a mining industry. Thomas Slavery built the model of the first model of the steam engine, and which was called as the miner's friend. Why it was called the miner's friend? Because it was invented for to be used in the mining. So the first model was built by Thomas Slavery, okay, and that steam engine was used in the process of mining, and that's why it was given the name miner's friend. And it was firstly used in 1698 to drain mines. Drain mines, you know, means to taking out the water from the mines. But this steam engine invented by Thomas Slavery had certain defects, like it started working very slowly in a shallow depth. When the steam engine goes in the depth, more depth, then it works slowly, its speed reduced. And second very dangerous defect was that the boiler, there was a lot of danger of the boiler to burst under too much pressure. Means when too much pressure was provided to the boiler to convert that water into the steam, then there was a chance, because of too much heating, it can be burst. So these were the defects with the steam engine invented by Thomas Slavery. And later on, these defects were removed by another steam engine, which is the new form or the innovative form of this steam engine, which invented by Thomas Newcomen. He built the steam engine in 1712. Means after a few years, 14 years after the first steam engine. But this steam engine also had a defect. it had a defect of losing the energy. Means the steam engine was designed in a way that it will not burst. And for not bursting, it is needed to be continuously cooling. We have to cool, the miners have to cool its engine continuously so that it will not burst. But what's the defect in this? It loses energy due to continuous cooling of the condensing cylinder. When it keep on, means the miners keep on condensing, cooling it, it loses its energy to work. So this was the defect with this steam engine, second steam engine. And this all these defects were removed by the steam engine invented by James Watt. Steam engines were only used in coal mine until the James Watt developed his machine in 1769. After the James Watt invented this new steam engine machine, before that the steam power was used only in the mining industry. The steam engine made by the James Watt was different from the earlier one. Watt invention converted steam engine from mere pump. Earlier it worked like a pump only to convert the water in the mines into a steam. But the steam engine invented by James Mill converted this new technology of the steam engine, convert the steam engine from mere pump to a prime mover. Prime mover means now this steam engine can be able to move the machines also, to make the machines to work. Like now you work your machine, you move your machine with the help of electricity. At that time, James Watt designed his engine in a way that the steam energy can be used to move the machine, to work the machine. So what was the innovation done by the James Watt? He converted the steam engine from mere pump into a prime mover, which can be able to move to make the machine to work with the help of this steam power. Apart from inventing this new steam engine, James Watt did many other inventions also. So now we will study the inventions done by the James Watt. The first invention, you know, the steam engine, okay, which convert the steam energy into the energy which was used to work the machine, to move the machine, to make the machine to run. Another invention done by James Watt was chemical process of copying document. This photocopy machine. This invention was also done by James Watt. And the third, which you are familiar, is the unit of measurement of power, that is horsepower. Means how to measure this power, this energy. This unit of measurement was also invented by James Watt. And on his name only the Watt unit is given. After making all these inventions, then what James Watt did, he created Soho Foundry. Soho Foundry, it is like the factory in the city of Birmingham of UK in year 1776, where he started producing a large number of steam engines. And these steam engines replaced totally the hydraulic power which was used earlier in England. Now after the invention of this new kind of the steam engine by the James Watt, now the hydraulic power get totally replaced by the steam power in England. And after 1800, steam engine technology was further developed by new innovations, like in the steam engine made after 1800, the material which was used of the lighter weight and the stronger metals were used for making these steam engines, and the coming of the new scientific technologies were used in that, which keep on making this steam engine more better. So beta, this is all about the steam power. This was the new form of the energy which started to be used during the time of the Industrial Revolution, and the innovations come because of the use of this steam power. For using this steam power, different type of the steam engines started to be invented, and which keep on whose better version keep on coming one after another, and the one of the best version came which was given us by the James Watt. And later on, after 1800, many innovations of the use of the different kind of the material for using these steam engines were made. Thank you.